5 tips for real estate agent marketing. If you run a real estate business, you are well aware of the importance of marketing. If your potential clients don't find you, they are likely to find your competitor and give their commissions to them. Internet marketing is an excellent solution for real estate agents. A real estate agent can reach people who they would not be able to meet otherwise by using internet marketing. Here are 5 tips to help you reach your potential customers. 1. Create a professional website for your real estate business. You need to present a professional online image to attract real estate clients. Potential clients who find your website will equate the professional look and feel of the website to your own professionalism, since the website is the only piece of information they have to evaluate your real estate business. The website for your real estate business should have a professional look and feel and have information about you, your business, and services that you provide to your clients. There should be a way for potential clients to contact you. After all, you would like these people to get in touch with you and start working with you. 2. Publish a real estate newsletter. Not everyone who comes to your website is going to be in need of your services immediately. Many people shop around, reading information about dozens of real estate agents before picking a real estate agent to work with. Others may not need to buy or sell a house now, but they may be in need of your services at a later date. You need to be able to keep in touch with people who come to your website, but are not ready to hire you yet. A newsletter is a great tool to keep in touch with your website visitors, share information with them and educate them about your products and services. Make sure that you have a newsletter subscribe form on every page of your website, and that you offer a compelling reason for your website visitors to subscribe to it. 3. Offer a compelling reason for your website visitors to subscribe to your newsletter. If you are not inviting your website visitors to subscribe to your newsletter, you are losing money in the long run. Make sure that you are offering a free report, or some other free gift for everyone who subscribes to your newsletter. By doing this, you will be able to get more newsletter subscribers and more clients for your business. 4. Optimize your website for search engines. Search engine optimization is the process of modifying web page content and meta information to improve the search engine ranking of the page. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can get more people looking for real estate agents in your area to your website. 5. Publish your articles online. Publishing articles is an excellent way to show off your expertise, let others know about your real estate business and drive traffic to your website. When you write and publish your articles, other website owners pick them up and publish them on their websites, while giving you a link back to your website. Use the 5 techniques we outline above to drive targeted potential clients to your real estate website. Effective internet promotion of your real estate business will help you drive clients to your real estate business every single day. If you want to get access to the search engine for real estate investors, click the link in description.